guys, it's Debbie. I just wanted to take you through my makeup routine today, but there's something I'm very excited about, and I'm going to show you today how I apply my moxielash. I'm so excited that this kit came in. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I just really have very little eyelashes, and I think, gosh, I look at girls that have big lashes and I love them, but I have really sensitive skin and sensitive eyes, so nothing's really worked for me. I have tried Lashify, which is supposed to be a long wearing one, like 7 to 10 days. I still have a few little lashes there, but just didn't work for me. It irritated my eyes, that glue. So moxielash, if you don't know, is a magnetic liner, and I did a test patch on my arm waited 48 hours, no reaction, and so I'm so excited to be able to show you guys if it works for me. So I'll just take you through my makeup routine that I do, well, not daily lately, but previous to the whole virus, this is what I would normally do. So here we go. Okay, so makeup is on. I'm going to open this up, and it looks like what's in here is a baby lash, sexy lash, and wifey lash. Okay, I'm gonna go for the wifey today. Comes with the little, really cool, looks like a gold, rose gold tool to hold the lashes, and then this is the magic. So this is that magnetic liquid formula. What I'm going to do is apply it and then wait, I think it's 2 minutes, and I'll come back and put them on. But here's what my lashes, or what little there are, lashes that I have, and they also point straight down, so I'll probably curl my lashes first and then come back and show you what they look like. So the liner is really nice. I love the applicator tip. I'm not sure if I'm applying it correctly, but I watched some videos, so I know I need to apply enough for the lashes to stick. So that's what I'm doing. It's a little bit thicker than my liquid liner, but take our little very easy applicator. So there they are. You can see the magnets. I'll let them dry, and then we'll move on to. So this is for my right eye. So far, so good. gentle. I think there are like multiple uses with these, and they didn't mention to trim them, so I'm not going to, and we'll see how these stick on. So very dramatic. I kind of like it. But if you can see here, there's little magnets on the strip. Yeah, maybe you can see them there. There's like little bumps. One, two, three, four, 5 magnets on this one lash strip. Okay, you guys, wish me luck. Let's see if this is gonna work. I can feel magnets adhering. I'm gonna just adjust it closer to my lash line so they look real. Okay, this one, as you can see, needs to get adjusted a little more, so we'll work on this a little longer. Move this a little closer. There we go. I love that you guys are here during my first application so you can see what exactly I'm doing wrong. Okay, it looks like I probably need, oh, actually it's stuck. I was thinking I might have needed a little bit more of that liquid liner in the front, but it had just literally clicked in just now. So I think we're in. I think the middle needs a little adjusting because I can see some gaps, so let me. Oh my gosh, this is so easy. I can't believe it. Okay, so the first one is in. Let's go for the second one. I have used everything. I have used Lash Enhancement Serum, totally irritated my eyes. I have used the normal lash glue and false lashes. I love that. I did that for my wedding. It was great. I have used magnetic lashes where you have a top and a bottom and they click together and they like slide around all day long. Never had success wearing those long term. And so I wanted to give this a try. And like I said, I've tried Lashify, which is the one where you use the semi-permanent glue and you put tiny little pieces on, maybe about 5 pieces all together, and then you can sleep in it. You just can't get them wet. So this is, I've noticed maybe I didn't let it dry enough, but there's little spots, but that's an easy fix with some makeup remover. So this is it. This one was the wifey, and I like it. I think it looks fun, but it's a little full for me, so I might switch to the babies and just on the outer ends to make them look natural. But what do you guys think? Do you think that it looks natural? Does it look like my own lashes? So I wanted to show you too, what's cool about the case is it has these magnets. You can put the lashes back for storage, keep them nice and neat. But yeah, so let's see. This is the finished look. I love how easy it was. It's not irritating my eyes, and let's see how long they stay. So I'll report back in the comments, but let me know what you've tried and if you've also tried moxielash. They also had like a free, if you bought this kit, you get like the free remover. I was able to remove my test patch that was on my arm just in the shower with a loofah. So that was pretty easy to remove, and like I said, it didn't irritate my skin. So I'm hoping this is the answer. Anyways, I'm so glad you guys were able to join me. Again, let me know what you think of my before and after, which I'll put up. And yeah, so here's the final product. I think, wow, side view. I have lashes. Wow, I'm happy. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Hey, okay, so I ended up switching out Wifey for Baby Lash, and I like it so much better. It was the weight of Wifey that was bothering my eyes, I think, and made me look like it just was crowding my eyes. So this is Baby Lash, and it's only goes up to about here. So I really like it. I think what I need to do is trim Wifey or any of the full bands by one magnet. I heard you can clip them. So I'm gonna do that for Wifey and see if I like it better. But this is Baby Lash. It's so lightweight. It feels like I'm not wearing anything. And look at it already makes my eyes look bigger. So I just thought I'd show you guys as a follow-up. And if you try moxielash, let me know what you think and which styles you really like, or if you find a style that you think I should try out. Thanks.